Okay, guys, so what we're going to go over is a quick way you are to basically put in all the numbers that ACX is going to look for. Do this at the end, because if you do this in the middle or at the beginning, you're going to have to do it again. So just wait until you're fully done removing all the things that we've talked about in the other videos. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is come up here and we're going to set up a macro. So we're going to come up here to Tools, Macros, and you can see I have one right here, but we're going to create a new one. So I'll do it with you. So we'll go New ACX. I would just label it ACX. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some things into here. Now I'm going to give you the link to this page, and this has the stuff that we're going to use. For some reason they changed the words here though, so this is, if in the old version, this was Equalization, so we're going to use that. I'm not sure why they changed it. So first we're going to start with Insert, and then we're going to, it should be alphabetical, so you should be able to find these things. Let's start with that Equalization one, click OK. Then you're going to click on it and go Edit. Now you're going to get this fun little thing, and you're going to see right here, it's going to tell us exactly what to do. So down here, we're going to go to Low Roll Off for Speech, and then OK. So we're just following the directions. For this length of filter, you can have it around 5,000, and that's fine. And then you're just going to click OK. So that's going to add that into this. Next, we're going to skip this one and come back to it. We're going to go to Limiter. So we're going to go Insert. We're going to scroll over to Limiter. Click OK. We're going to edit it. Oops. Make sure that you click on the right one, click Edit, and then we're just going to follow the directions again. So we're going to do Soft Limit, 0, 0, change this one to -3.5, 10, No, and OK. So now we've got 2 of the 3 things checked. The next one that we need to add is Normalize. So this isn't quite the right name either. So that's why I went to go look at what I had it as. And we're going to go Insert again. And we're going to go find Normalize. Okay, we're going to click on this one. You want this to be at -1. Just make sure that's there. Click OK. And then this doesn't actually get us the RMS. This Normalize should already be at 1, but it's nice to have it in there just in case. But the RMS and this Normalize are different. So to do this one, what we're going to do is go Insert, and we're going to go to Compressor, then go to OK, and then we're going to edit the compressor. And for this threshold, we're going to change it to -20 right here, decibels. And you can leave everything else the same and click OK. Now we're going to go ahead and click OK because we want to save this. Then to do it, we're going to click on here, press Command-All to select everything. We're going to come up to Tools, Apply Macros, and ACX. New, and you're going to see that now everything's a little bit closer to that 1 and 1, and it just normalized it all. So I'm still looking into that ACX check one. I'll make a video on that shortly, but that is the basics. So at the end, you have all those settings. You just go through and apply it, and then you don't have to do those numbers ever again. All right, bye guys.